To fix the E06 code on a Siemens washing machine, it's essential to understand what this error code signifies. The E06 code indicates a draining issue with the washing machine. Common causes of this error include a timeout on draining, a problem with the drain pump wiring, or a faulty drain pump. To resolve the issue, start by draining the water from the machine and removing the laundry. Then, take out the filter and use a screwdriver to turn the pump impeller 360 degrees. Checking if it's turning by looking into the filter. Next, switch the machine to a drain-only program. It's crucial to inspect the drain pump wiring, focusing on the wires connected to the pump, and ensure they are properly connected. If damaged wires are found, replace them. If the issue persists, listen to the drain pump during the drain cycle to determine if it's activating correctly. If an abnormal sound is detected, it's likely the drain pump is faulty and needs to be replaced. By following these steps, the E06 code can be resolved, and the washing machine should function properly again.